We'll celebrate the holidays with the sounds of the season. Joining me this morning is Don Farrell, co-founder and artistic director of the Actors Theater of Indiana. Thanks for inviting us to this makeshift space, right?
Yes, we are really, we're exciting. You know, pivoting is really a big operative word this year. And so we had a rain out. We've been doing drive-in theater concerts. And our second one, our first one was a huge hit, and our second one was selling out, but we had a big rainstorm that came in. But we didn't want to disappoint our patrons. So all of our team here at ATI put all of our ingenuity and vision together. Our wonderful tech team and designers all came together. And hey, if there's anything about theater people, they can be they can really make things happen.
Make things happen. When there's a will, there's a way. Tell me about this drive-in theater.
Yes, drive-in theater. We wanted to take the art to our patrons and our community because we can't go inside because of social distancing and COVID. And so we had our first one in September, our second one was in October, and our third one is Black Friday, November 27th, and we are doing a holiday performance where we're going to have Santa Claus and reindeer. We're going to have guest performances of Broadway talent, Dwayne McDevitt and Michelle McConnell. Michelle McConnell has the record of the longest running Carlotta on Andrew Lloyd Webber's Phantom of the Opera on Broadway.
Oh, wow.
She's from here. She's going to come in with her husband, Dwayne. They're going to do some songs. We also have Carmel High School's wonderful a cappella group, Select Sound. They're amazing. And so we're going to do that, and we're so excited to kick off the holiday season for our patrons.
I can tell you are, but you guys have been practicing. We've been watching you rehearse. What's this been like for you guys?
It's been great. It's been challenging, as for everybody. I mean, it's not just in the entertainment industry, but you know, we are all pulling it together, and we're just taking the time to really reflect about what we're really grateful for right now. There's so many silver linings to be found if we just take the time to look for them.
That's what it's all about. I'm grateful for you, for your music. Shall we hear a song, perhaps?
I think we can take care of it.
I think so too. Take a listen.
The snow is snowing, the wind is blowing, but I can weather the storm. What do I care how much it may storm? I've got my love to keep me warm. I can't remember a worse December. Just watch those icicles fall. What do I care if icicles fall? I've got my love to keep me warm. Off with my overcoat, off with my glove. I need no overcoat, I'm burning with love. My heart's on fire, the flames grow higher, so I will weather the storm. What do I care how much it may storm? I've got my love to keep me warm. Take it, Terry! With my overcoat, off with my glove. I need no overcoat, I'm burning with love. My heart's on fire, the flames grow higher, so I will weather the storm. What do I care how much it may storm? I've got my love to keep me warm. With the fire, off with the sweater, I got a heater, couldn't feel better. We'll be all comfy all through